How to assemble our anti-theft tablet countertop stand. Align the pole with the mounting holes on the base. Insert the provided screws through the base and into the pole with the provided hex wrench to securely fasten the screws. For mounting the base to a wood surface, use the base as a template to mark 2 hole positions on the wood surface. Drill pilot holes at the marked positions using a 3/16" drill bit. Mount the base using 2 of the provided screws through the base and into the wood surface. Insert the key into the keyhole on the connection panel. Turn the key clockwise until it stops, then turn it back to its original position and remove it. The keyhole button will pop out, indicating the connection panel is unlocked. Align the connection panel with the mounting point on the pole. Insert the provided washer and lock washer into the position as shown, and tighten it until secure. Clean the back of the tablet to ensure it is free of dust and debris. Remove the adhesive backing from the adhesive locking plate and firmly press the adhesive plate centered on the back of the tablet. Let it sit undisturbed for at least 24 hours. Align the teeth of the adhesive locking plate with the 4 slots on the connection panel, then insert the tablet and rotate the connection panel to snap it into place. Press the keyhole button to lock the tablet securely. If the tilt adjustment becomes loose over time, use the provided hex wrench to tighten the tilt mechanism. To remove the tablet, insert the key into the connection panel and unlock it by turning clockwise. Rotate and detach the tablet from the mount. Gently peel the adhesive locking plate off the tablet by lifting from the side. The adhesive locking plate is reusable up to 3 times. To reuse, wash the plate with water. Dry it thoroughly to remove dust or debris. Reapply to a clean, dust-free tablet surface following the original installation instructions.